You're kind of cute. Oh gosh. Hey, excuse me. Do you mind if I sit here?
I am actually meeting someone for a little bit.
A male?
Yes.
What? Is it like a date?
My boyfriend.
You're kind of cute. Well, that's just terrible.
Thanks. Appreciate the compliment.
What compliment?
I just posted
Huh?
that kind of
Hi.
You have nice hair. Okay. We're just like making a funny video. Actually, I said we're just like actually making a funny video, just coughing up compliments. Is it okay if you're in our video?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. You're looking kind of cute. That's a really nice dress.
Oh, that could be.
Your hair's super chill. Oh god. Oh. Excuse me. You seem familiar.
Oh, I don't think so.
What's your name?
Kaylee.
Kaylee. Yeah, I've seen you around.
Oh.
Yeah, my name's Quan. I don't know if you know me. I
Nice
just stalk
to
you on
meet you.
Instagram and stuff.
Oh.
I'm just messing around.
Oh.
Are you? Where are you going?
I'm a freshman, but I'm going to class. Right
You
now.
kind of in a hurry?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Well, you're looking kind of cute. What?
Sorry.
Hey man, where's?
Okay, well that's fun. I'm just saying. Anyway, this
You girls are kind of cute. Oh god. Oh. Those are cool shoes. Oh god. Of course I'm okay.
Oh, okay. Cool. Well, I guess I'll see you later then.
All right, yeah, man.
Take care.
Hey, man. We're making a funny video called "Coughing Up Compliments."
Okay.
Yeah. So.
I figured I saw that. Yeah.
Oh, did you? Is that cool if you're in our video
Yeah.
for
Sure,
YouTube?
why not?
All right, thanks, man.
Yours.
That was awkward, was it?
Yeah.
But I just won. Are you Latina?
No, I'm not.
Where are you from?
I'm Native American.
Native American. Are you in a hurry right now?
Kind of. I have a class right now.
Oh, cool. That's cool. What class are you going to?
Calculus.
Kind of cute. That's pretty cool. When does it start?
I don't know what time is it. Like 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Oh, you can make that. That's cool.
Yeah.
We should totally hang out sometime. What? Did you say?
Sorry, I have a boyfriend.
What does that have to do with anything?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'd ask you if I was with such a crazy. Oh God. Oh, I have a sickness.
Nice meeting you.
You too. You come here. Hey. Come here. Come here. I need to talk to you.
Come here.
I came half the way. Now you got to come the rest of the way.
What's up?
What are you new here?
What?
You new here? No? What year are you in?
I'm a junior.
Oh, you're a junior. Nice. You're really cute. Well, that's cool. I'm new here and just hanging out, you know.
Where did you come from?
Well, Mexico. I mean, like
No, I'm saying like
on
right
campus.
now.
Oh, I barely showed up here. I'm just I was kind of late for my class because of some issues that happened yesterday, you know. But yeah. What are you doing later?
Work.
Work. That's cool. I work too. We have so much in common. But what?
Nothing.
Oh, okay. What's your last name?
My last name?
Yeah. I'm trying to like get to know you, you know?
You didn't even ask my first name.
Right, I know, but I want to know your last name because I'm gonna feel like I know you like more in depth that way.
It's Taylor.
Taylor. That could almost be a first name. What's your first name?
Justice.
What? Justice? My name's Juan.
It's what?
Juan.
Quan?
Yeah.
What's your last name?
Gonzalez.
Okay.
Yeah. I really like your overalls. That's cool. Well, I just this is awkward. I don't know what to say.
Okay.
I'm really bad at picking up girls.
Just be yourself.
I am being myself.
Well, then it shouldn't be awkward.
Can I have your number?
Sure.
What do you think of my approach?
It was outlandish.
Outlandish? I don't like your body. What?
I just put it under J.
J?
Yes.
Cool. We should smoke a J later. Alright. Hey, wait a minute. While we were filming.
What's your name?
Quan.
Quan? Nice to meet you.
We're filming a funny video where we cough up compliments.
Oh, are you literally getting filmed right now?
Yeah, there's a guy over there.
No.
Let's go like right here. I feel like the lighting.
You're all super cute. What's up, bro? You look familiar. I just thought I'd come introduce myself. Did you go to, where are you from?
Here.
Oh,
Arizona.
here, that, exactly. That's cool. What have you been up to?
Just chilling.
What's your name again?
Quan.
Your name's Quan?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
My name is Quan. J-U-A-N. Everyone always gets it confused with Quan.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
It's funny.
I think I've seen you here actually.
Really?
Were you talking to I think you were talking to a chick before.
Really?
About something. Yeah, you might have been.
I don't know. Is this your girlfriend?
No.
No. You're dating her or something?
No.
Cool. Yeah, she's kind of cute. But what are you guys doing later?
We're about to go out for lunch right now.
Cool. Keep looking good. All right, I'll see you guys later. Hey, wait a minute. Hold on. We're making a funny video. I'm sorry. It's called Coughing Up Compliments. There's the camera right there.
I was gonna say I saw that guy.
Okay. Whatever. Cool. Is that cool if you guys are in the video?
Yeah. That's
Cool. Thanks, man. How's it going? You shouldn't walk away from me. I get it. Wait a minute. We're making a funny video where we coughing up compliments.
Okay.
Is that cool if you're in our video?
Yeah, that's fine.
Cool. Thanks, man. Excuse me? Hi. I'm new here. I'm just wondering, do you know if there's a McDonald's around here?
Wait, hold on one second. McDonald's. There's a
God damn, you're hot.
thing inside.
Huh? What were you saying?
Oh, okay. I don't want to talk to you anymore. Hello.
Okay. That was a fun little interaction. We were making a funny video called Coughing Up Compliments. Yeah, is that cool if you're in our video?
Yeah, okay.
Cool, thank you.